Hello there, I'm Robbie from The Faith Experiment, and this month we're looking at really practical ways to experiment with faith. Our faith experiment is exploring this life change that Jesus is offering. He wants to give us an abundant life, superior in quantity and quality. We've seen that this is a collaborative experiment, and we are constantly invited to participate with the power that Jesus brings. Today's experiment is based on a passage from Proverbs chapter 3, verse 6. This text teaches, "In all your ways acknowledge him, and he shall direct your paths." This passage is instructing us to stop making plans, stop doing things without seeking God and knowing what his plans are for us. Having plans is not bad, but today's experiment, we're simply going to say, God, I have a plan for today, but I want to acknowledge you in it. And if there's any part of it that's not part of your plan, then I'm willing to change. I'm willing for you to take control. And the promise in this passage is that he will direct your path. So let me know how you go today by leaving a comment below. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and get them involved in the faith experiment as well. And I'll see you in the next experiment.